Welcome to our video about Belfast, the capital city of Northern Ireland. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the beauty and charm of this historic city. Belfast is the largest city of Northern Ireland, which is part of the United Kingdom. It is located on the eastern coast of Northern Ireland, at the mouth of the River Lagan. In Belfast, the primary language spoken is English, as it is the official language of Northern Ireland. However, due to its diverse population and historical ties, you may also hear other languages spoken, including Irish and Scots, though these are less common in everyday conversation. The population of Belfast is estimated to be around 340,000 people. Belfast has a rich history that dates back to at least the Bronze Age. It became a significant settlement during the Industrial Revolution, particularly known for its shipbuilding industry, most famously associated with the RMS Titanic, which was built in the city's Harland and Wolff shipyard. It has a vibrant cultural scene, with numerous theaters, art galleries, music venues, and festivals. It has a rich literary tradition. Additionally, Belfast is known for its street art and murals, which often depict the city's political and social history. Historically, Belfast's economy was dominated by shipbuilding, linen production, and engineering. While these industries have declined, the city has diversified its economy, with sectors such as technology, finance, tourism, and education playing increasingly important roles. Titanic Belfast is a museum dedicated to the history, construction, and legacy of the RMS Titanic. Titanic Belfast is situated in the Titanic Quarter, an area of Belfast that was once home to the Harland and Wolff shipyard where the RMS Titanic was built. The museum is located near the exact spot where the Titanic's construction took place. The museum's architecture is striking, with its design inspired by the bow of the Titanic and the concept of four ships' hulls. It was designed by architect Eric Kuhn and opened to the public in 2012. Titanic Belfast offers a range of interactive exhibitions that tell the story of the Titanic, from its construction in Belfast to its ill-fated maiden voyage. Exhibits include replica cabins, a virtual tour of the shipyard, and artifacts recovered from the wreck site. Visitors to Titanic Belfast can immerse themselves in the Titanic's history through a series of galleries that cover topics such as Belfast's industrial heritage, the ship's construction, the passenger experience, and the aftermath of the sinking. Titanic Belfast has become one of Northern Ireland's most popular tourist attractions since its opening. It has received numerous awards for its design and contribution to heritage tourism, and it continues to attract visitors from around the world who are fascinated by the Titanic story. HMS Caroline is a historic ship that served in both World War I and World War II. It is now a museum ship located in Belfast. HMS Caroline was launched in 1914 and served as a light cruiser in the Royal Navy during World War I. She played a significant role in the Battle of Jutland in 1916, the largest naval battle of the war. After World War I, HMS Caroline continued to serve in various roles, including as a training ship and administrative center. During World War II, she was used primarily as a headquarters ship in Belfast. In 2011, HMS Caroline was decommissioned from active service, and there were discussions about scrapping her. However, efforts were made to preserve the ship as a museum due to her historical significance. Following extensive restoration work, HMS Caroline opened to the public as a museum ship in 2016. Visitors can explore the ship's interior, learn about its history, and discover what life was like for sailors during World War I. HMS Caroline serves as a unique and tangible reminder of the Royal Navy's involvement in World War I and is a popular destination for history enthusiasts and maritime enthusiasts alike. Belfast City Hall is a prominent landmark and civic building located in the heart of Belfast. Belfast City Hall was completed in 1906 after several years of construction. It was built to replace the old Belfast Municipal Building on Victoria Street, which had become too small to accommodate the city's growing administrative needs. The building's design is in the Baroque Revival style, featuring Portland stone and a copper dome. It was designed by architect Sir Alfred Bromwell Thomas, who won a competition to design the new City Hall. Belfast City Hall is notable for its grand central dome, which rises to a height of 53 meters. The building also features a number of notable rooms, including the Great Hall, which is used for official functions and ceremonies, and the Council Chamber, where meetings of the Belfast City Council are held. The Ulster Museum is one of the largest museums in the country. The Ulster Museum was founded in 1929 as a result of the merging of three older museums in Belfast. It has since grown to become one of Northern Ireland's leading museums. The museum houses a wide range of collections covering various aspects of history, art, and natural sciences. These include exhibits on archaeology, geology, zoology, botany, fine art, applied art, and local history. The museum's collections include everything from dinosaur fossils to contemporary art pieces. Entry to the Ulster Museum is free, although donations are welcome. This makes it an affordable and accessible destination for locals and tourists alike. Belfast Castle is a historic landmark located in the Cave Hill area of North Belfast. Belfast Castle has a rich history dating back to the 12th century when a Norman castle was built on the site by the Baron of Belfast. The current castle, however, dates primarily from the 19th century, with significant renovations and additions made in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The architectural style of Belfast Castle is Scottish baronial, characterized by its turrets, battlements, and picturesque setting. It was designed by architect Charles Lanyon and completed in 1870. The castle's design was influenced by Scottish castles, reflecting the Scottish heritage of the original builders. Queen's Arcade is a historic shopping arcade located in Belfast. Queen's Arcade was opened in 1880 and is one of the oldest shopping arcades in Belfast. It was designed by architect James Mackay, who also designed other notable buildings in Belfast during the Victorian era. Home to the only Rolex, Omega, Tag Heuer, and Montblanc boutiques in Ireland, Queen's Arcade has exclusive access to special edition and boutique-only pieces. Belfast has an extensive public transportation network, including buses and trains operated by TransLink. The city is also served by two airports, George Best Belfast City Airport and Belfast International Airport. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour of Belfast. We hope you've enjoyed discovering this wonderful city. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.